The basics of running a successful business require a clear understanding of your customers and how you meet their needs. However, segmented demographics of your target audiences, their needs, likes and dislikes have become blurred and volatile more than ever. With the emergence of social media, marketing personas used in the past to bridge this gap are largely irrelevant. So, how can brands maintain their close relationships and develop trust with their audience without compromising messaging? And does data, in particular opinion mining, help to bridge this gap? We will answer these questions in today's video. What is opinion mining? Often known as sentiment analysis or emotional artificial intelligence, opinion mining refers to the use of text, linguistics, and natural language processing to systematically identify, extract, and analyze affective and subjective information. Through an algorithm that identifies the sentiment of the content, businesses can determine the sentiments of their emails, blogs, social media, web reviews, websites, and so on to understand the consumer's sentiments around their brand, product, or service. Now that's a mouthful, but simply, opinion mining helps you to understand what your consumers think about your brand, products, or services. This may sound complicated and you must be wondering, how is this critical for SEO? Sentiments are not only key for marketing but also search engine optimization. For instance, SEO backlinks can be interpreted in different ways, positive or negative. While backlinks are definitely important, the higher the number of backlinks, the better your SEO. Not every reference to your website, product, or service may be positive. In fact, negative backlinks can be detrimental to your SEO strategy. Therefore, creating more positive sentiments with your content, user experience, and keyword strategy on your website can give your business an added boost compared with your competitors. Nonetheless, providing excellent customer service remains a key driver of your SEO efforts. Insights from sentiment data can help you address specific customer issues more effectively. It's important to analyze what people say about your business and address negative reviews. Could sentiment analysis be the next big thing for SEO marketing? Well, probably. While Bing has already used sentiment analysis for their featured snippets, Google has mentioned in 2017 that there is no search operator for sentiment because Google does not recognize it in search. However, Google has always wanted to understand content the way humans do in order to provide users with the closest results to what they are searching for. So don't worry about it too much for now. Although there is no immediate need at the moment to panic about your consumers' sentiments, customer service and keeping your consumers satisfied with your business offerings still remain key. Analyzing audience sentiment can be highly helpful in finding out what your customers want and think, which is a crucial part of any successful SEO strategy.